Let's get to our special segment this morning on the good, bad and ugly news on the fight against coronavirus.
Here is the good news of the day. The government has kick-started the drive to protect 27 crore Indians in the country, and they plan to finish this by July 2021. What this really means is that those people who so far have been developing a severe form of the infection and even succumbing to this disease are now going to be getting the protection. The government is sponsoring a part of it because those people who want to get the shot in a government vaccination site will do so free of cost. Those who want to go to a private site will be getting it at a nominal fee. What this also means is that the most vulnerable categories of senior citizens who by far were succumbing to this infection, and also the vulnerable category of those with underlying healthcare conditions above the age of 45 now have the option of going to numerous vaccination sites that the government has listed out, any of which they want to, and get a shot against COVID-19. There is no shortage of doses, is what the indication really is from the government. Here is the bad news of the day. Cases continue to surge in Madhya Pradesh, in Maharashtra, in Kerala, in Tamil Nadu is what the government is now saying. Maharashtra, of course, continues to worry with a spike in cases. Mumbai too is recording around 1,000 new cases on a daily basis, and this is extremely worrisome. The other bad news is that the CoWIN software, which essentially is the backbone of the largest immunization drive, not just in India, but in the world, has some glitches even now. The software doesn't have glitches is what the government says, but there are problems of overloading, there are speed, internet issues, and that's the reason why many people could not log on successfully or get the OTP number or even book their vaccination date for this very reason. This is going to continue to slow down the entire process of vaccination, because this is one way in which one can register, take an appointment and get the shot instead of a walk-in vaccination, which obviously is going to lead to more crowds. So this essentially is the preferred way, and this isn't really working very well as the government would want it to.
This is the ugly side to the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, 22 people in a residential society in Gurugram in Haryana have tested positive for COVID-19 after attending a birthday party that has now become a super spreader event. The birthday party took place on February 7th, in which many residents of this society in Sector 67 had attended. The district administration has now asked for samples of at least 2,000 people to be tested for the virus. Of these, 500 samples of the residents of the society have already been taken. The district administration has also declared the society in Sector 67 as a containment zone. The birthday party is one such super spreader event that one needs to stay away from amidst the rising cases of COVID-19.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.